Let's play a quick game. If I asked you to create a digital product now, would you freeze? Would you know what to do? Would you be able to identify what type of product, ebook, course? What would you do? Would you think what to do? Should I record videos or have like a text or a PowerPoint presentation? Do I have to be an expert? If all of this is yes to you, don't worry and breathe. This is normal. I felt like this before creating my first digital product, because today I will show you and pick not only the easiest, but the fastest product you can create and sell online around your niche, which we picked in the first video, which you will have somewhere on the screen. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what kind of product you need to create and want to create. And it's gonna feel like something you could create in a weekend between Friday and Sunday dinner. Let me take you back when I started this journey. I started with affiliate marketing, but it's the same, picking a product or creating one. I thought to myself, I have to have a 50-page ebook, fancy edited, with professional styling, with only the expert tips nobody has. You know what I did? I created nothing. I couldn't pick a product. I was like paralyzed with all the options I had, and I didn't know what to do. I stared at the black screen for days, and then I quit, because I thought to myself, only the polished and really professional products could be sold online. But then I bought a checklist for $7. 3-step checklist. Do this, do that, a result. And I was amazed. People don't want more information, they want useful information. And they want quick solutions. That was the mindset shift I convinced myself I need to do in order to start making money online. Creating a digital product is like cooking for a friend. They don't need a 5-course meal, they're hungry. They need a quick sandwich that will fill the gap. Today, you're learning how to make that sandwich online. I will show you a few simple product types you can create today, in 2 days, in a week. Don't worry, they sound scary. Some of them sound scary, but once you start creating, if you know what you're talking about, it will be very easy for you and very natural. First type is checklists. If they are fast to create, they can be very cheap, like $5, $7. But I saw checklists sell for $27, and they were selling a lot. They are easy to consume, and they are great for helping people start and take action, because they are like step checklist. For example, daily budget checklist for busy dads. Bam. Templates. People love shortcuts. So if you can build a template for Canva or Notion or whatever template you have in mind, and you can create those by clicking on some software, that's ideal digital product for you. You can make a template in Google Docs or Canva. For example, Instagram bio for financial coaches. Or next type is mini ebook. Mini is like 5 to 10 pages long. You already know enough to fill those 10 pages. Focus on solving only one simple and small problem. For example, 5 quick meals for diabetics over 40, or 5 keto tricks I learned while on keto diet. And the next is resource lists or toolkits. Gather your favorite tools, your favorite ChatGPT prompts, your favorite applications, and create a list. Add short notes about each one that people will find useful, because they don't have to check all those tools and apps. They can go through your resource list. For example, top 10 tools that I use in my side hustles. You only need one product, don't overthink it. Okay. Match the product type to your niche. Look back at the niche you picked in the first step. If you don't know, this is the second video. The first video is somewhere on the screen now, but first watch this in the end. Ask yourself, what's a tiny helpful thing I can create in my niche to help someone? Example, if your niche is fitness over 40, 10 quick morning stretches for people over 40. 10 quick morning stretches to reduce back pain. If your niche is budget traveling, for example, weekend packing list for budget travelers. See how small and packed this product is? Small is smart. You're You are picking their brain because they have these small problems that they cannot go around it, and you have a perfect solution, and it's only $5. So they will instantly buy it, and if it helps, they will review it, and they will be your customers for the other products because they are interested in what you have to sell. It's not about being the smartest person in the room. This is about being the most helpful person on someone's journey. You're not trying to impress, you're trying to serve people. Now that you choose your product type, in the next step in the series, we are going hunting. Yeah, that's right. I'll show you how to not create a product, but grab a ready-made private label rights product you can sell as your own. Even if you hate writing or if you hate doing the types of product I do, you can find those products already done for you, make few changes, make it sound like you did it, and sell them as your own. So what product type are you leaning forward? Tell me in the comments. You got this. Simple product, real value, one step closer to income online. See you in the next step.